Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can download bank statement of your Meezan account on your Meezan bank app from your phone. So for that just open your Meezan app on your mobile phone. Now when you open Meezan app, this will be the display in front of you. Now here you can see the option called view statement. Just simply click on this view statement. Now, when you click on view statement, here you can see at the top there are two options, start date and end date. So click on start date, select your start date, and now after click your end date to select your end date. After selecting start date and end date, just simply click on this download statement and your statement will be downloaded. Here you can see statement has been downloaded. So this is the way how you can download bank statement for your Meezan account.